Hello guys and welcome to Salesforce Drillers. Now in this video we will learn about Kubernetes Ingress, that what is Ingress. So guys, with the help of Ingress and Kubernetes we can expose multiple services using a single endpoint. Means suppose you are having multiple services in your Kubernetes cluster and you want to expose all of them. So for that you will need a load balancer, but if you will create load balancer for each and every service, so it will be costing you because it is a managed service. So we use Ingress to expose multiple services using a single endpoint. So in this video we will run 3 deployments. So if I'll show you in my pods, so as you can see, we do not have any pod running over here. So if I'll show you, so these are my 3 deployments for Nginx. This is a default deployment for Nginx, which shows the welcome page for Nginx. This is for the blue one and this is for the green one. So let us just apply the first one. So kubectl apply -f, then the YAML file name, kubectl apply -f. Okay, so as we can see, our deployment has created. So let us have a look on the pod. The pod is stable. So let us apply our remaining YAML file. So kubectl apply -f nginx -deploy -blue. Similarly, deploy -green dot YAML. So let us see. So as we can see, the pods are in initializing state. So let us wait till they get stable. So what we'll be doing after that, once they are stable, we will be deploying the Ingress Controller, which is provided by Nginx Ingress Controller by Kubernetes. So I will be deploying the Ingress Controller using the Helm chart. So I will be covering Helm in my further videos. So please do not worry if you do not know what is Helm. So what that will do, that will be creating an external load balancer, and that particular load balancer will be used as the endpoint to expose multiple services. Okay, so as we can see, so let us just refresh the dashboard. So once all the 3 pods are stable, we will deploy the Ingress Controller for Nginx. But guys, for that we have to expose all of our deployments before installing the Ingress Controller. Okay, so as we can see, we have all the 3 pods running. So let us just let me just show you. So this is my ingress.yaml file. So as we can see, it has a host here, which is demo.drillers.com. So it will be our Ingress endpoint. So if you will see here on the path, it states Nginx deployment, means on the route it will be taking us to Nginx deployment. So let us run the Helm chart for Ingress Controller. So Helm install Nginx Ingress, then stable Nginx -ingress. So this is the Helm chart already created for the Nginx Ingress Controller. Okay, so let us have a look. Let us do kubectl get all. So as we can see, we have deployments and pods. So let us just run it again. Okay, so let us wait till it deploy our Ingress Controller. Okay, so as we can see, it has deployed. So let us just do kubectl get all, kubectl get all. So as we can see, it has generated 2 pods for Ingress Controller. Along with this, a service has been generated with a load balancer type along with an external endpoint. So let us just deploy our Ingress. So kubectl apply -f. Now we will deploy our Ingress. So kubectl apply -f, then our ingress.yaml file. So let us have a look on our dashboard. So as we can see, our Ingress has been created. So let us now proceed further. So now what we will do, we will just hit ingress ingress endpoint into the browser, and we will see the results that on the root it will show us the welcome page for Nginx. And if I'll press the path with the blue, it will show us for the blue page, and if I'll do the green, it will show us for the green. But for that, let us just do the entry of our external endpoint in our host file. So if I'll show you, here it is. So let us paste the IP here and let us mention it as a host at demo.drillers.com. Let us just save it. Now let us just hit our endpoint, that is demo.drillers.com. Okay, so it is showing 5. Okay, so what we have done, I think we have not exposed our services, so we need to expose our services before proceeding, before for, I can say, for looking them on the web server, on the web browser. So we will let kubectl expose, then the deployment name, that is deployment.apps/nginx-deployment, then --port 80. Similarly, we will do for nginx deploy-green. Similarly, we will do for blue. We will expose all the 3 deployments on port number 80 because nginx runs on port number 80. So when deploy blue, okay, so our all the services have been exposed. So let us just have a look on our dashboard. So let us go to services. So as we can see here, so let us just refresh our page. So as we can see the welcome page for Nginx. Now let us enter the path which says path-blue. So path-blue, it should take us to I am blue. Yes, as we can see. Now let us try to enter the green. So on green, it will take us to I am green. So guys, that is how we can deploy Ingress on Kubernetes cluster to expose multiple service using a single Ingress endpoint. So I hope it is clear to you guys. So this was the Ingress that we have created along with the bots. So thank you and happy learning.